வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அதில் இந்த சீரீஸில் சயின்ஸ் முதல்ல பார்த்தோம், ரெண்டாவது ஹிஸ்ட்ரி பார்த்தோம். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி புது சப்ஜெக்ட்டு ஜியாகிரஃபி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஒரு இயரில் நம்பர் ஆஃப் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் குறையாக இருக்கிறதுனால 2 வருஷம், அதாவது 2021 அண்ட் 2019 2 இயரும் சேர்த்து மொத்தம் 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். சரிங்களா? சரி, நம்ம கொஸ்டின்ஸ் டைரெக்டாக போயிடலாம். இது 2021. The first question: which type of soil is found in all districts of Tamil Nadu except Nilgiris? A. Red soil, B. Block soil, C. Laterite soil, D. Sandy soil. The answer is B. Block soil. Second question: identify the option in which rivers are given in north-south sequence. A. Godavari, Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna. B. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. C. Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi. D. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi. The correct answer is B. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Third question: which of the following rivers originate in Karnataka? 1. Bhavani, 2. Balar, 3. Pennayar, 4. Kaveri. Choose the correct one. A. 1 and 2 and 3. B. 4, 1, 2. C. 3, 4, 1. D. 2, 3, 4. The right answer is D. 2, 3, 4. Fourth question: the term biodiversity indicates A. species richness and genetic variation. B. species richness and habitat diversity. C. genetic variation and diverse ecosystems. D. species richness alone. The correct answer is A. species richness and genetic variation. Fifth question: pick out the effect that is not related to the impact of earthquake. A. fissures. B. collapse. C. tsunami. D. depression zone formation. The correct answer is D. depression zone formation. Sixth question: match the following. Backwater, linking up water system for irrigation, canals used for crossing broad water. C. dugout canoe, connecting one waterway with another, dams used for limited navigation. The choices, directly we can go to the choice. The A, 4, 3, 2, 1. Backwater used for some limited navigation, canals connecting one waterway to other, dugout canoe is used for crossing broad river, dams linking up of river system in the irrigation for irrigation. Seventh question: what is the density of population? A. the number of people living in 1 square kilometer. B. the number of people living in 10 square kilometer. C. number of people living in 100 square kilometer. D. number of people living in 200 square kilometer. The correct answer is A. the number of people living in 1 square kilometer or per square kilometer. Eighth question: which one of the following agriculture practices is eco-friendly? A. organic farming. B. shifting cultivation. C. cultivation of high-yielding varieties. D. growing plants in glasshouse. The correct answer is A. organic farming. The following questions from 2019 paper. So, ninth question. Consider the following statements. 1. 21st June, summer solstice, more radiation received by northern hemisphere. 23rd September, autumn equinox, not equal radiation in both hemisphere. 3. 22nd December, winter solstice, more radiation received by southern hemisphere. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 2 and 3, D. 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is B. 1 and 3. 10th question: how many seismic zones grouped in India? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 8. The correct answer is A. 4. 11th question: Sabarmati river flowing states. A. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. B. Gujarat, Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. D. Maharashtra and Jharkhand. The correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. 12th question: with reference to black soil, consider the following statements. It is generally clay, deep and impermeable. 2. They swell and become sticky when wet and shrink when dried. 3. It retains the moisture for long time. Which of the following above statements is or correct? A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2 only, C. 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D. 1 and 2 and 3. That's all the above. 13th question. Different types of vegetation are found in different parts of India due to A. Topography, B. Unequal distribution of rainfall and temperature, C. Soil, D. Temperature and soil. The correct answer is B. Unequal distribution of rainfall and temperature. 14th question. Golden quadrangular distance between Chennai and Calcutta is A. 1684 km, B. 1453 km, C. 1290 km, D. 1419 km. The correct answer is A. 1684 km. 15th question. Consider the following statements. 1. Northwestern part of India get rainfall during northeast monsoon. 2. In India, red panda is found in western Himalayas. 3. Tamil Nadu get much rainfall during southwest monsoon. Which of the above statements given above is or correct? A. 1 only, B. only 2, C. 1 and 2, D. both 3 and 1. The correct answer is C. both 1 and 2. 16th question. Which of the following is recognized as the regional tsunami service provider for Indian Ocean region? A. Thuthukudi, B. Chennai, C. Hyderabad, D. Bhubaneswar. The correct answer is C. Hyderabad. 17th question. If the diameter of Earth becomes 2 times its present value and the mass remains unchanged, then how would the weight of an object on the surface of the Earth be affected? A. becomes half, B. becomes 1/4, C. becomes 1/3, D. remains unaffected. The correct answer is B. becomes 1/4. Match the following the rivers with their famous towns. The Ganga, Surat, Brahmaputra, Agra, Yamuna, Guwahati, Tapi, Banaras. The correct answer is D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ganga, Banaras, Brahmaputra, Guwahati, Yamuna, Agra, the Tapti, Surat. 19th question. Which type of forest grow well in area receiving rainfall exceeds 250 cm and temperature is 25 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade? A. Tropical semi-evergreen forest, B. Tropical wet evergreen forest, C. Tropical moist deciduous forest, D. Trade tropical forest. The correct answer is B. Tropical wet evergreen forest. Question number 20. 1. Project Tiger is a tiger conservation scheme. 2. It was launched on 1st April 1983. 3. 27 tiger reserves have been set up in 17 states under this scheme. Which of the statements given above is or correct? A. 1 only, B. 1 and 3, C. 1, 2, 3, D. 2 and 3. So the correct answer is B. 1 and 3 only. 21st question. Which type of rainfall is closely associated with equatorial region? A. Orographic rainfall, B. Frontal or cyclonic rainfall, C. Conventional rainfall, D. Monsoon rainfall. The correct answer is C. Conventional rainfall. 22nd question. Inversion of temperature occurs during A. Short nights, B. Long summer nights and chill night, C. Long winter night and clear sky, D. Cloudy sky. The correct answer is C. Long winter night and clear sky. Match the correct pair. Planets and density. Mercury 1, Jupiter 19.182, Earth 0.387, Uranus 5.203. The correct answer is D. Uranus 5.203. 24th question. Consider the following statement. 50% of the India's poor people live in following states. 1. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. 2. Goa, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Jharkhand. 3. Bihar, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu. 4. Kerala, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Bihar. Which one of the following is or correct? A. 1 only, B 2 and 3, C 4, D 1 and 4. The correct answer is A 1 only. 25th question. The urban heat island effect is due to 1. Concrete floor in urban area, 2. Low moisture content in the soil, 3. High wind velocity, 4. High rainfall. Which one of the following or above is or correct? A 1 and 4, B 1 and 2, C 1, 2, 3, D 4 only. The correct answer is B 1 and 2. So thank you very much. So we will see next 2 years because the number of questions less. So we'll 2 years together. Right? So thank you very much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்கள் போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.